I never thought a simple water gun could revolutionize summer fun, but that's exactly what happened in 1989. Picture this, a NASA engineer tinkering in his bathroom, accidentally stumbling upon a game-changing invention. That engineer was Lonnie Johnson, and his creation, the Super Soaker. But before we dive into this watery wonder, let's take a quick splash through history. Water guns have been around since the 1940s, but they were pretty basic. Just a squeeze of the trigger, and out came a measly stream of water. Not exactly the stuff of backyard legends, but everything changed when Lonnie Johnson, while working on a new type of refrigeration system, accidentally shot a stream of water across his bathroom. This happy accident led to the birth of the Super Soaker. Johnson's invention was revolutionary. Unlike its predecessors, the Super Soaker used air pressure to propel water with unprecedented force and distance. It was like comparing a garden hose to a fire hydrant. The Super Soaker became one of the best-selling toys of the 1990s, with over 200 million units sold worldwide. The magic of the Super Soaker lies in its clever use of air pressure. It's like a miniature version of Earth's atmosphere, but instead of creating weather patterns, it creates epic water battles. Here's how it works. First, you fill the reservoir with water and seal it tight. No leaks allowed in this high-tech water weapon. Next comes the really fun part, pumping. Every push of that pump handle compresses air into a separate chamber. As you pump, the air pressure builds up, pushing against the water in the reservoir. This creates a force about 40 times stronger than a regular squirt gun. When you pull the trigger, a valve opens, and all that pressurized air forces the water out through the nozzle at high speed. We're talking about 70 kilometers per h. That's faster than most city speed limits. The result? A powerful stream that can soak your unsuspecting targets from up to 15 meters away. The Super Soaker didn't just make summers more fun, it completely transformed the toy industry. It showed that with a bit of scientific know-how and a lot of imagination, even the simplest concepts could be revolutionized. Lonnie Johnson's invention has stood the test of time, remaining a favorite in backyards and pool parties around the world. So next time you're locked in an epic water battle, remember, you're not just playing with a toy, you're wielding a piece of scientific history.